Hi, my name is Michael Stanley, and I want to give a quick review about the Done For You services by Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin and Ariella. So, if you're anything like me, you've been trying to make money online and break into the online world by trying this program, that program, Amazon Associates, everything, right? Well, maybe about 2 months ago, I ran across the Done For You services, and I was a little skeptical because I done tried everything under the sun and nothing was working for me. So as soon as I tried it, I decided to take a chance, jumped into the program, watched the webinar, and I am so glad I did, so glad I took the risk because it was a good risk. Done For You services, they do exactly what the name says. They set up everything for you. They give you your landing page, they set up your Google ads, they get you started with Facebook, YouTube. Uh, they do everything, even the techie stuff. They do it all for you. So no worries there. Um, and plus, the most important part for me, I got my first sale, and not just my first sale. I got number one, number two, and number three sales within the first week of setting up everything for me. All I have to do is continue to run the traffic by organic, a little bit of paid. So if you're looking for a clear cut program to get into to start your own online business, trust me, you want to get into Done For You services by Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin and Ariella. So if you want more information, click that link below right now. Click the link. What are you waiting for? Click the link. Trust me, it's worth it. Check it out. And I'll see y'all later.